morning students. Now from today we will start our fifth lesson division. Now see your page number 72, exercise 5a. What is the question? Divide by repeated subtraction. So in last year also you have learned this division lesson in your textbook. Okay, so very simple questions that we have to repeat of what we have learned in second standard. So 8 divided by 2. Now you know very well how we are writing 8 divided by 2. So bigger number we have to write every time inside and smaller number we have to write outside. Okay, so you know this sign is of division. So this question, this exercise 5a, you have to write down in your notebook. So you first write down lesson's name, 5, division, date, today's date, and then write down this question, divide by repeated subtraction. And then write down first question, 8 divided by 2. Now, so in the table of 2, 8 number is there. Yes, 2 4s are 8. So we have to write down here 4 and we have to write down here 8. 8 minus 8, 0. This also you have to write only in the single box. So what is our answer? 4. So you will write answer 4 here. Okay. Now see second question. Second question you write down in your notebook. 6 divided by 2. So which is the bigger number here? 6. So that number you have to write inside and smaller number you have to write outside. Okay, so 6 divided by 2. In the table of 2, 6 number is there. Yes, 2 3s are 6. So you write down here 3 and you write down here 6. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So what is our answer? 3. So you write down 3 answer here. I am not having space here, but you write down there equal to 3. Okay, now see third example. 12 divided by 3. So which is bigger number? 12. 12 divided by 3. 3 is the smaller number. So you write down 3 here. In the table of 3, 12 number is there. Yes. How many are? 4s are. 3 4s are 12. So you write down 12 minus 12. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is our answer? 4 equal to 4. Okay, now see fourth example. 9 divided by 3. So bigger number is 9. You write down inside. Smaller number is 3. You write down outside. So in the table of 3, 9 number is there. Yes, 3 3s are 9. So you write down here 3. 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 9 equal to 0. And what is our answer? Our answer is 3. So you write down here 3. Now see fifth example, 20 divided by 4. Now which number is bigger? 20. And write down 4 number outside. So in the table of 4, 20 number is there. Yes. 4 how many are? 5s are. 4 5s are 20. So write down here 20. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So what is our answer? 5. So you write down your answer 5. Now see sixth example, 15 divided by 5. So write down 15 here, write down 5 here. So 5 in the table of 5, 15 number is there. Yes, 5 3s are 15. So you write down here 15. 5 minus 5, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is our answer? 3. You write down answer here 3. Now see seventh example, 16 divided by 4. So you write down 4 here, write down 16 here. In the table of 4, 16 number is there. Yes, 4 4s are 16. So you write down here 16. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is our answer? 4. So you write down answer here 4. Then write down 8th example, 24 divided by 3. So in the table of 3, 24 number is there. Yes. How many are? 3 8s are. 3 8s are 24. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So what is our answer? 8. Now see 9th example. 14 divided by 2. So write down 14 here, write down 2 here. In the table of 2, 14 number is there. Yes. How many is are? 7 are. 2 7s are 14. So 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the answer? 7. So write down here answer 7. Now see 10th example. 18 divided by 2. So write down 18 here, write down 2 here. In the table of 2, 18 number is there. Yes. 2 9s are 18. So you write down 18 here. 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the answer? 9. Okay, so you write down answer here 9. Now see 11th example. 20 divided by 5. Write down 20 here, write down 5. So in the table of 5, 20 number is there. Yes. How many are? 4s are. 5 4s are 20. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So what is the answer? 4. You write down here answer 4. Now see 12th example. 25 divided by 5. So 25 you write down inside, 5 write down outside. In the table of 5, 25 number is there. Yes. How many are? 5 5s are 25. So you write down 25. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So what is the answer? 5. So you write down in your notebook all these questions. Now see students, your page number 73, exercise 5B. What is the question? Fill in the blanks. So first example is, there are 24 marbles. See, in your textbook, they have given 24 marbles here. Okay. Share them equally among 4 children. अभी क्या दिया है यहाँ पर? Share them. Share means सबको distribute करो. Equally among 4 children. अब ये 24 marbles है, इसको 4 children में हमें equally distribute करना है, equally share करना है. Okay. So what information they have given? क्या information दी है उन लोगों ने? Total number of marbles. So that is given in your textbook. So total number of marbles, you write here 24 because 24 marbles they have given us. Then number of children. How many number of children are there? 4. So you write down here 4. Division fact. So what we have to do in this example? We have to divide. So which number we are dividing? 24 divided by 4. Okay, so 24, you don't write anything, I am just telling you this example. So in the table of 4, 24 number is there? Yes. How many is that? 4 6 are 24. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. What is the answer? 6. So 24 divided by 4 equal to 6. Okay, what is given here? So number of marbles with each child. So each child having how many marbles? 6 marbles. So you write down here 6. You don't write this division there. Only you write down the answers. Now see page number 74. Second example. Distribute 15 pens equally among 5 students. See, they have given you picture of 15 pens here. And what they have given? Distribute 15 pens equally among 5 students. 15 pens है, वो 15 pens को हमें 5 students में equally distribute करना है. तो इस information में हमको ये solve करना है. Okay. Total number of pens. कितने pens दिए हैं यहाँ पर? 15. So you write down here 15. Number of students. कितने students है यहाँ पर? 5. So you write down here 5. Division fact. हम लोग किसको divide करने वाले? 15 divided by 5. Now 15 divided by 5. In the table of 5, 15 number is there. Yes. How many are? 3 are. 5 3s are 15. 5 minus 5, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the answer? 3. number of pens with each student equal to 3. What is the answer that we have to write there? Okay, so you write down all these answers there. Now see third example. Put 20 flowers equally into 4 vases. Now see here. They are given equal 20 flowers. अभी 4 vases. 4 vases means what? Flower pot. Flower pot बोलते हैं ना, जिसमें हम लोग ये flowers रखते हैं. तो अभी क्या करना है? ये 20 flowers को 4 flower pot में equally distribute करना है. Okay. So what information is here? Total number of flowers. कितने flowers दिए हैं हमको? 20. You write down here 20. Number of vases. कितने दिए हैं? 4. ओके. डिवीजन फैक्ट. किससे किसको हमको डिवाइड करना है? 20 को 4 से डिवाइड करना है. ओके. सो 20 डिवाइड बाय 4. In the table of 4, 20 number is there. Yes. How many is that? 5 are. 4 5 are 20. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. What is our answer? 5. So, number of flowers in each vase equal to 5. कितने flowers होंगे? Each vase में 5 flowers होंगे. Okay, so you complete these answers. Now see your page number 75. Exercise 5C. So they have given here total 27 rose flowers. Okay, so this information is given there. We will see now. 27 flowers, 9 flowers in one vase. How many flowers in one vase? 9. Okay, so what is given here? Total number of flowers. How many flowers? 27. Number of flowers in each vase. कितने दिए हैं हमको? 9. So you write down here 9. Number of vases required. That we have to find out. Now see. 27 division fact, divide by 9. Okay, so 27 divided by 9. So in the table of 9, 27 number is there. Yes, 9 3s are 27. 7 minus 7, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. What is the answer? 3. So 27 divided by 9 equal to 3. Number of vases required 3. Okay, so 3 is our answer. You write down in this all, fill in the blanks. Now see second example. 20 buttons, 4 buttons in one packet. Now see, these are the buttons of shirt. How many buttons are there? 20 buttons are there. Okay, what is given here? 20 buttons, 4 buttons in one packet. One packet, एक छोटा सा कैरी बैग होता है, उसको छोटा सा पैकेट बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. कैरी बैग में क्या, पैकेट में कितने बटन्स बैठते हैं? 4 बटन्स बैठते हैं. ओके, सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ बटन्स, कितने बटन्स दिया उनका पिक्चर में? 20. सो यू राइट डाउन हियर 20. नंबर ऑफ बटन्स इन ईच पैकेट. वन पैकेट में कितने बैठते हैं? 4. सो राइट डाउन हियर 4. ओके, सो डिवीजन फैक्ट. अभी हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? यहाँ पे डिवीजन करना पड़ेगा. सो 20 डिवाइड बाय 4. सो 20 डिवाइड बाय 4. इन द टेबल ऑफ 4, 20 नंबर इज देयर. यस, हाउ मेनी इज 5 are. 4 5 are 20. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. What is the answer? 5. So number of packets required. कितने पैकेट्स लगेंगे हमको? 5 packets लगेंगे. So you write down there 5. Now see third example. 16 pencils, 4 pencils in one packet. See here. How many pencils they have given? Picture of pencils 16 and 4 pencils in one packet. छोटा सा पैकेट है पेंसिल का, उसमें कितने पेंसिल्स बैठते हैं? ओनली 4 पेंसिल्स बैठते हैं. तो क्या इंफॉर्मेशन दी है हमको? टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स. कितने पेंसिल्स दिए है पिक्चर में? 16. राइट डाउन हियर 16. नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स इन ईच पैकेट. ईच मीन्स वन पैकेट. कितने दिए है यहाँ पर? 4. ओके, डिवीजन फैक्ट. अभी हमको डिवीजन करना है. 16 डिवाइड बाय 4. 16 divided by 4. So in the table of 4, 16 number is there. Yes. How many is 4 is 4 4 is 16. 6 minus 6 0. 1 minus 1 0. What is the answer? 4. So you write down here 4. Number of packets required. कितने पैकेट्स लगने वाले हैं हमको? 4. So you write down here 4. Now see fourth example. 30 keys, 6 keys in one ring. अभी कीज देखो यहाँ पर पिक्चर दिया है, जो हमारे लॉक की होती है ना, उसके ये कितने कीज दिए हैं यहाँ पर? टोटल 30 कीज दिए हुए। और क्या दिया है? 6 कीज इन वन रिंग। छोटी सी ऐसे रिंग होती है, उसमें हम लोग ये हमारे घर के सारे कीज इकट्ठा करके रखते हैं ना, वो छोटी सी रिंग। तो ऐसे रिंग कितने बैठने वाले, एक रिंग में कितने बैठने वाले कीज? 6 बैठने वाले। ओके, तो हमें क्या क्या फॉर्मूला फाइंड आउट करना है वो हम देखेंगे यहाँ पर। सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ कीज कितने दिए हैं यहाँ पर पिक्चर में? 30। सो यू राइट डाउन हियर 30। नंबर ऑफ कीज इन ईच रिंग, यहाँ पर कितने दिए हैं? 6 कीज इन ईच रिंग। ईच मीन्स 1। कितने दिए हैं? 6। ओके, सो डिवीजन फैक्ट। अभी किसको किससे हमको डिवाइड करना है? 30 को 6 से डिवाइड करना है। Okay, so 30 divided by 6. In the table of 6, 30 number is there. Yes. How many is that? 5 is that? 6 5 is 30. So 0 minus 0 0. 3 minus 3 0. So what is the answer? 5. So what is given here? Number of rings required. तो हमें रिंग कितने लगने वाले हैं? ऐसे 5 रिंग्स लगने वाले हैं। तो यहाँ पे आंसर हम लिखेंगे 5. So write down all the answers. Now see your page number 76. Question B. Fill in the blanks by writing the division fact for the following. Divide 15 stars in 3 equal groups. Now see, they are given 15 stars. अब 15 stars को क्या करना है? हमको डिवाइड करना है। कितने ग्रुप में डिवाइड करना है? 3 ग्रुप्स में, और इक्वली डिवाइड करना है। So what we have to write here? 15 stars divided by 3. Okay, in the table now I will solve here. 15 divided by 3. In the table of 3, 15 number is there. Yes. How many is 5 is 3 5 is 15. 5 minus 5 0. 1 minus 1 0. What is the answer? 5. So you write down here answer 5. Now see second question. Divide 18 stamps in 6 equal groups. See, यहाँ पर कितने स्टैम्प्स दिए हुए हैं? जो हम ऐसे स्टैम्प मारते हैं ना, फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे स्कूल का स्टैम्प, हमारे प्रिंसिपल सर का स्टैम्प, ये अलग अलग स्टैम्प होते हैं हम हमारे स्कूल में। तो ऐसे स्टैम्प्स कितने दिए हुए हैं? 18। और हमें टोटली कितने ग्रुप में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है? 6 में। ओके, सो व्हाट यू विल राइट हियर? 18 डिवाइड बाय 6. Okay, so 18 divided by 6. In the table of 6, 18 number is there. Yes. How many is that? 3 is that? 6 3 is 18. So you write down here 18. 8 minus 8 0. 1 minus 1 0. What is the answer? 3. You write down here answer 3. If you want, you can write this also in your textbook. अगर तुमको ये लिखना है तो यहाँ पे जगह है, यहाँ पर यहाँ पे ये जो डिवीजन है लिख सकते हैं। तो इसको इससे हमको समझ में आएगा हमने कैसे आंसर निकाला है। यू कैन राइट हियर बिकॉज स्पेस इज गिवन। ओके, नाउ सी थर्ड एग्जांपल। डिवाइड 14 लीव्स इन 7 इक्वल ग्रुप्स। अभी देखो ये प्लांट्स के लीव्स दिखाए हैं। कितने लीव्स दिखाए हैं? 14 लीव्स दिखाए। और कितने ग्रुप में डिवाइड करने का है? 7 इक्वल ग्रुप्स। 7 ग्रुप में डिवाइड करने के। तो हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पर? 14 डिवाइड बाय 7। सो 14 डिवाइड बाय 7. इन द टेबल ऑफ 7, 14 नंबर इज देयर. यस. हाउ मेनी इज 2 is so you write down here 14. 7 2 is 14. 4 minus 4 0. 1 minus 1 0. What is our answer? 2. Okay. So you write down all the answers there. Now see fourth example. Divide 24 marbles in 6 equal equal groups. Now see, they have given you picture of 24 marbles. और कितने ग्रुप में हमको डिवाइड करने का है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने का है? 6 इक्वल ग्रुप में. ओके, सो व्हाट यू विल राइट हियर? फर्स्ट you will write here 24 divided by 6. Okay, so 24 divided by 6. In the table of 6, 24 number is there. Yes. How many are? 4 are. 6 4s are 24. 4 minus 4 0. 2 minus 2 0. What is the answer? 4. 24 divided by 6 equal to 4. Now see fifth example. Divide 20 bananas in 5 equal groups. Now see, how many bananas are there? 20. और कितने ग्रुप्स में हमें डिवाइड करने का है? 5. तो हमें क्या लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर? 20 डिवाइड बाय 5. So in the table of 5, 20 number is there. Yes. How many are? 4s are. 5 4s are 20. 0 minus 0 0. 2 minus 2 0. So what is the answer? 4. So we have to write here answer 4.